least 3 or 4 generations now.
So the Metaxas is now in the same room as the Acoras. It's a different vibe from speakers to here. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Now we're going to start. We're going to blow a little. This might make these curtains. These might make the curtains swing. Let's see. Let's see what happens here, guys. Oh my God, I gotta wear a seatbelt for this. Oh my God.
Sometimes I catch myself.
Get ready, guys. Uh-oh.
Why the rain falls upon us and takes away the sunshine.
Oh, somebody turned it down. I was prepared to see the curtains fly. There we go. Now I need my seatbelt on.
But in the end, I know that everything happens for a reason, to make us stronger.
See, the curtain actually moving. We got movement of the curtain.
Excellent.